Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung A14 fast charging not working issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on battery and device care. Now here, click on battery and then scroll down and click on more battery settings. Now here you will see a fast charging button. So if you have turned off this button, then turn it on, and after that go back and click on software update. Now click on download and install. So it will update your software to latest version. After that, go back to your home screen and open control center and restart your mobile.